Hello students, welcome back. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going with the grammar part of our chapter 1. At the end of today's class, you will be able to learn and identify about nouns, to learn and identify about common noun and proper noun, and we will complete the textual activity regarding to common nouns and proper nouns. At first, we are going to discuss about nouns. Let me ask a question. What do you mean by a noun? Or what is a noun? Yes, nouns are names of people, names of animals, names of places, and names of things. We all know that these nouns are again classified into a few types. Let's see what are they. Can anyone tell me which is the two basic classification of noun? Yes, common noun and proper noun. Now let's see what is a common noun. A common noun is used in naming not specific person, place or thing. So common noun refer to a person, place, thing or animal in general. When we are talking about the things in common, we use common nouns. Okay? And one important thing about the common noun is since these nouns are not naming anything in specific, they do not need to start with capital letters unless they begin in a sentence. See, if the common noun, for the common noun, no need of writing the first letter of that noun in capital letter. Unless if it is in the beginning of the sentence, we have to use capital letter. Otherwise, no need of using capital letters. Now let's see some examples. You can see here mall, boy, school, building, tree, flower, book. Everything is a noun which we are using in common. For every mall, we can call it as a mall, boy, school, building, tree, flower and book. Now let's move on to proper noun. What is a proper noun? Proper noun is used in naming a specific person, place or thing. So, we have learned what is a common noun. Common noun is a name which we can use for generally. But this is the direct opposite of common noun. What does it mean by proper noun? Proper noun are the special names for a person, place, animal, thing. Okay. So don't forget common noun is a name which we use in general, but proper noun is the special name that we are using. For example, if I am saying I am Basni, I am a teacher. So here Basni is the special name for me. So it is a proper noun, and teacher, it is a common noun which can be used by every teacher in the world. Do you get? And one important thing about proper noun is since these nouns are naming specific things, they begin with a capital letter. Whenever we are using a proper noun, we have to start that with a capital letter. In some cases, sometimes they contains two or more important words. Suppose Taj Mahal. When we are writing Taj Mahal, you have to put T and M both in capital letter. Okay. Now let's see a few more examples which help us to give a clear picture of what is common noun and what is proper noun. Are you ready? Here we can see some examples of proper noun. In the last when we are discussing common noun, mall was there. Mega mall. It's a proper noun. Then a boy. Boy's name Jason. Arola University. Academic building. in Rose Grammar and Translation book. So these all are the proper names. Now watch this table. This table will help you to understand about what is a common noun and what is a proper noun. See, a common noun is here and the appropriate proper noun of that is given in the opposite side. Mall, it's a not a specific name. We can call every mall a mall. But Dubai Mall is a special mall for that mall which is in Dubai. So that is a proper noun. Tree and mango tree. Sea, Arabian Sea, toothpaste, Goldgate, games, cricket, school, Darul Falah English School. So, my dear little ones, we can see that common noun is a noun which we can use in general. But proper noun is a noun which is very specific to a person, place or thing. I hope you all understand today's class. Thank you, students. Thank you for your attention.